So a brief introduction. For a very long time, the weaker ones are being harmed, especially women, and old ones are being harassed. Several theft attacks have also been into light and are still happening. We cannot expect guards to guard all the time. Moreover, CCTVs will not be functional all the time. So through this project, we would like to propose a solution using computer vision and deep learning techniques to automate surveillance system, leading to build a secure and responsible society. So let's look at how this code works. This is our input video, which you can see there is a scene behind, a non-violent scene, again a violent scene, then again a non-violent scene. So this will be our input video. And our program works like this. As you can see, the background scene is non-violent, so it is printing non-violent activity in green color. Now the background changes to violent activity, so the label is being printed at the top left corner as violent activity in red color. Again the scene changes to non-violent activity, so the label is being printed.
Automatic hand sanitizer and temperature sensor. This is our project for the current PBL. My team consists of Rishabh Hussain, Prajwal M, Rohan BN and Pawan M. So as you can see, this is our design and this is the internal circuitry design of our project. It's a hardware project. So now we'll see how the sanitizer system works. I'll switch on the sanitizer system. When I place my hands in the proximity of the sensor, my hands get sanitized. Now we'll see how the temperature system works. As I place my palm in front of the temperature sensor, my temperature is being displayed and it is transferred to other devices through Bluetooth. If the temperature crosses the normal body temperature, the buzzer goes off. I'll show that with the help of a matchstick.
Our project is we have a sign language recognition using template matching, which we use machine learning and more specifically deep learning. We make a deep learning model to classify all the letters from A to Z, so we can help the deaf people to communicate.
Yeah, so this is the VZZ architecture. It is provided by the TensorFlow. So TensorFlow is nothing but a low-level library, and we have used Keras, which runs on top of the TensorFlow. So Keras is a high-level API. So there are like various various other architectures also we could have used, such as AlexNet. And all, but then again, like VZZ 16 and VZZ 19 is like more precise compared to the others, AlexNet, because it has more layers, and the precision increases because of that. Now, see, there are different layers in VZZ 6. So if you show the this thing here, then it will just show the output here. You can see the output right here in the result here. So,
Yeah.
In this module, we'll be showing the pick and place maneuver of the robot implementing the PCL library, perception, and path planning. So this would integrate all the various sections that we've done so far. As you can see, the robot is loaded in the familiar environment as from the object topic from the feed from the camera. We implement the pick and place by detecting the object's position in the environment using the camera, and once we get the pose in the Python script, we perform the maneuver based on the object dimensions. So as you can see, the path planning has started. The arm has successfully detected the object. picked up the object and grasped it. It avoids various obstacles like the walls in the sides and the table itself while the path planning occurs. And the thing has been placed and it's returned to its initial position.
Demo printout which we have kept for the demonstration right now. Due to the COVID-19 situation, we are not able to go to a field and record a demo video. So this is our robot and I will show you the demo. So the robot moves forward, recognizes the plant and stops there, and then the end effector, if it's a weed, it will go to the plant and destroy it. But since we are working at home for the safety purposes, we have not included a blade right now. So you can see the plant goes towards that.